today you can see your Classic 85. I'm back with the 2003 Ford F-250 doing some rust repair. This is my pastor's truck I'm fixing for him. But before we begin, here's your Bible verse for this video. Philippians 1:29. For unto you it is given in the behalf of Christ, not only to believe on him, but also to suffer for his sake. So as I was saying, this is my pastor's truck. I've been doing some rust repair on it. So I've done some of the work, and I said I was going to do some parts of it. So as you can see, I cut out a lot of the parts right there. And this is grinded down metal, because you need it grinded down to bare metal to weld. We'll get to the other side in a second. But I have the panel cut out for that. A couple of tools that are really good for this is an electric cutoff wheel. I've got a cutting disc in this. This is an electric grinder, but this has got the grinding disc in it. This one you also can grind with, but I have a cutting wheel in it for cutting out this panel. And it's going to go right in here. I'll have to trim it some more, but it looks like it's going to fit right in there pretty nice. As you can see, I'm going to have to cut the corner off right there and trim it a little bit and grind it a little higher after I cut some of this out. But I have that hole bonded a little bit. But a couple of simple things that are going to be good to make this easier is you always want to wear your safety shield while you're cutting so you don't get sparks in your eyes. I recommend wearing some earplugs so you don't go deaf. Or you can wear safety glasses, up to you, whatever you choose. And a respirator sometimes. Like when I was grinding down the paint, this paint smells really bad. You don't want to be breathing it in. And when you go to weld, you want to use some of these like vice grips to hold your metal in place. I was using this earlier, this tool right there. It's a sanding. I was using it on this side over here. Now this is the Bondo. Now I'm going to do another video on this because this is still having to dry. And yes, it does not look very good right now because I need to sand it down. And also I'll give you some tips on it when we do the other side. But that's basically what's going on right now. So please like and subscribe and comment down below if you want to see more parts of this.